Hi guys, welcome to Money Talks UAE. Welcome to a new video. This is gonna be another Sarwa update. If you don't know anything about Sarwa, I highly suggest you guys to watch my previous videos and also make sure to go to the playlist and you'll see here Sarwa progress. I always post all of my updates here like every week or sometimes like once a month. So I always want to give you some heads up about what's going on with my investment about Sarwa. There's also videos teaching you how to invest with Sarwa, how to join if you are living in the UAE, and if you don't know how to invest money, this is gonna be one of the best investments that you may have for the rest of your life. Make sure to subscribe if you are new to the channel, guys. The channel is all about how to make money, how to save money, and how to grow money in case you are living in the UAE or even outside the UAE. I'm always sharing with you my personal experience. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you guys my experience and how I gain some extra income from the internet or even outside the internet. Like, for example, finding a job or something in the UAE that's going to make you extra cash. Okay. One more thing, guys. Don't forget to join the Facebook group. I just created this Facebook group. It's brand new. So far, it's only 17 members. But I created this group for the goal of helping each other, and if we are facing some problems like financially, or if we have any issue about any online platform like Sarwa or Smart Crowd or any cryptocurrency trading or anything that is related to making money, whether it's online or offline, like in the world, you can just go ahead and join this group and post your questions, and we as a group will try our best to help each other. I will put the link as well in the description if you want to join the Facebook group. And after this long introduction, let's go ahead and check my Sarwa account. And as you can see, guys, we are now in the positive side. We have 1.8% returns. This is my net deposit. It's almost 12,000, and I'm gaining $216. So this is after more than a year of investment. I am gaining this amount. A lot of you guys will criticize these earnings and these returns, and they will say like this is very low amount of money, and if you invest this amount of money in somewhere else, you will be gaining a lot of money. Okay, my answer to that is that yes, for sure, that would be possible, but unfortunately I don't have a lot of experience in handling like real businesses, like I don't know, opening a restaurant or a cafeteria or like any other shop like in the real world, especially the UAE, because the UAE is very expensive and it's not easy to have a business. Like this is very difficult. Second of all, this is like my savings account. I see Sarwa as my savings account. It's not like a real investment, but it's like a savings account. Instead of putting my money in the bank, for example, it would be this is the amount in the bank, so nothing will change. And now in Sarwa, I see changes like every day. So every day I see updates about my balance. I see my money is moving according to what's happening into the market. If you are following the stock market, you will know that the stock market is always going higher. It's like, let me go to the stock market. As you can see, VTI is one of the assets that Sarwa is using. As you can see here, VTI, and I'm holding a big amount. Actually, it's like 4,600 so far market value of VTI, and also the developed market stocks. So if you go ahead and check this beautiful trend, you will see that the price is always going higher. So it doesn't matter, you will have this kind of crashes in between. You will have like small corrections here. If you zoom in, you will see exactly like these small corrections like this. These like small, but they last for like weeks or even months sometimes. It's like you can see this correction started in September and it ended in October. So it took like 1 month losing money. You see, like you are losing money in this period. But if you're not selling, if you're just holding your money for the long term, you are not losing anything. In case, in the opposite, you are actually gaining money with this correction, because the moment this price starts to go down is the best time to invest more money, like put more money here in deposit and buy more of this VTI. And if you zoom out and see the whole picture, you will see the trend is always going up. So Doesn't matter what's going on in the present day, I am pretty sure that my money with time will grow and make me more money. This is the opposite of what's going on when you put your money in your bank account. In your bank account, your money is sitting there doing nothing. So in case prices are getting high, and as you can see nowadays in the UAE, like prices are really starting to get high and everything starts to be expensive. And one of the things that like major change in the price nowadays is fuel. So as you know, fuel is very important in the economy, and now the price of fuel in the UAE is very expensive. It's like double compared to the last 2 years. So what does it mean? Fuel is very important for everything, like for transportations, for transferring goods, like for shops, for everything. So this vital element is making the market and making life getting more expensive. So your money in the bank, it's still the same, so it's not also rising. So this is the big problem. This is called inflation. It's like, if you don't know what is inflation, this is exactly what I was explaining. Is like the cost of living is getting higher, so you need more money to adjust with what's going on with the world right now. So you need to put your money in something that is going to be equal to what's going on with the market, or even better. So some people, they like to invest in real estate, for example. Real estate is very good option if you are trying to beat inflation and want to make your money like always valuable, better than sitting in the bank doing nothing. You buy a property and the property is always changing in value, so that's why you always gonna sell your property in a higher price with time. So this is all about Sarwa, guys, and let's go ahead and see the assets. And as you can see, like the only loser assets here is Bitcoin with 9%. It's improving because it was like really in a bad shape, but nowadays we see cryptocurrency is doing really good nowadays. And VWO, the emerging market stocks, is also doing bad. This ETF is about the new companies, and as you know, like new companies, they're really facing issues in the beginning, so that's why it's not doing that well here. But VTI, the US stocks, the big companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, are all like doing fine. They were even giving me more returns, and now it's only 8.5%. I'm still happy to see a positive number, and I will go ahead and check the past performance to show you guys what's going on in the market. And you will see that it was really in bad shape here, like 11,000 in the 1st of March, and we were going, and as you can see, it was not really doing that fine. I did deposit some money here, and as you can see, it was still not doing so fine. But anyway, we are improving. As you can see, this is an option, like slowly going up. And I will show you my activity statements, and this is a good news as well for you guys. If you are like holding assets in the stock market, you will be receiving something called dividends. If you don't know what is dividends, dividends is just like payments you receive from holding some certain stocks. They are like, these stocks are the companies that you invest your money with. You give them your money so that they are using it to make money as well and make their products and stuff. And in return, they give you a small amount of their profits. So this is what's going on here. As you can see, from the beginning of March, I received a very small dividends here from the bonds. This is, you will get like monthly, because bonds, they pay you monthly. And then I have dividends here and here. So these are the assets from BNQ, VTI, and this one I think it's from the developed markets. But anyway, as you can see, it's almost like $20 from this dividends. It's just like that. It's a positive income. And my last deposit was in the 3rd of March. As you can see here, it was $600. And I am also willing to invest $500 just to go ahead and take advantage of these few tips. So this is my plan, guys. I'm not like a daily trader. I'm not making money every day. I'm holding assets for the long term because I am seeing the whole picture of the stock market. So if you zoom in like this, for example, in the stock market, you cannot like expect the stock market to make you money in days. So this is like in December. As you can see, the 30th of December, the last day of the year, and as you can see, it's dropping like crazy. So if you invest your money in this period and you expect to make more money like in 1 month, look what happens. It's like the whole month you are just suffering. So it's like for 2 months the price is really really bad, and you end up losing some money and you will give up, and then you will not be interested in the stock market anymore. But look what's going to happen if you are investing in the long term. So I'm going to give you this example for sure. So let's say you are in this area and you invest some money. The price is going down, but you don't care. You know that the stock market, whatever it's gonna do, it's always gonna go for the higher directions. You keep adding money here and then goes down. You keep adding money, then goes down. You keep adding money, and then boom, look what's happened. It's going up again. Okay, and the same cycle again happens. So it goes down again, correction, you buy, go a little bit up, and then goes down like this. You buy, and then goes up, and now we're on a major correction, and this is one of the best corrections that you can see, and this is where you make a lot of money, but you just have to be patient. So for me, as you can see here, I'm only making 200, and even if it's go all also down, like last month for example, I was even in minus. I didn't even have money. I was losing money, but because I know the stock market is always going up, I was always putting some part of my salary, like my monthly salary, as I show you here in the activity statement. You will see that always in the beginning of month I put some deposits here. So $600 here. In the beginning of February, you can see as well, like in the middle, I put 550, and deposit received February 14. So this one I put like 2 deposits, and also in the beginning of January I put $1,000 deposit. So this is like a lot of amounts, but depends about my situation in life. I put some cash, sometimes more, sometimes less, depends on what's going on with my life. Same thing about you. You need to adjust your life and see what's going on. Even if you can put $50 a month, it's still a good investment. You can gain a good amount of money. You need to learn the strategy and learn how to be patient in making money with the stock market and with Sarwa. So that's it guys about this video, and make sure to use the link that I always provide for you in the comment section below. And this link, if you are new to Sarwa and you use this link to join Sarwa, you will gain a free $50 just like that from Sarwa. And as you see here, get 50, I will get a free $50 as well as a commission, but we are both winning. This is a win-win situation. If you're not using my link, unfortunately you will not get this free $50. And also me, I'm not gonna get $50, but still for me it's the same. I'm just like encouraging you because you are the one who needs this money more than me, because you are a beginner and you need as much profit as you can from this platform. So, and also make sure guys to join the Facebook group, and I will put the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and I will be really happy to help you with these questions. Or even if you join Facebook group, you can also post your questions here, and I will be super happy to help you. Okay, this is, by the way, not my personal account. This is a temporary account. I'm just using it guys to be communicating with you. So if my answer was a bit late, this is the reason why, because this is not my personal account. I just check it out from time to time, like from day or 2 days, like I check the account and messages and everything about what's going on with the group. So thank you again for watching, and have a lovely day, and I'll see you on the next updates. Have a nice day.